Hi, this is Rock. We're going to look at record macros. And let's say we want to record the act of filtering for Honda on this. So I'm going to go record macro, and I'm going to say filter for Honda. Remember, no spaces in the macro name. Save it in this workbook, say OK. I'm going to come in here, select Honda, say OK, and then I'm going to stop. Now, it's filtered for Honda. So if I go over to my VBA module, in module 2, I've got filter for Honda. I can also copy this, paste it, and say, let's filter for Kawasaki. And then we just copy this and paste it in here. And now we have another one we can use. Let's go in here to macros, filter for Kawasaki, run that, and now it's filtered for Kawasaki. Another thing we can do is go grab off the interwebs. I'm going to go grab a Honda logo. Don't try this at home. You shouldn't be stealing other people's logos. But I'm just going to put it up here to illustrate a point. We could have Honda there, and we could have Kawasaki. Come here, paste that, make that smaller. We could have a Triumph logo. Take that, put that there. And you can see here, there's not going to be enough room for this, but I'm basically just illustrating a point that if I came over here and made another one for Triumph, and then came back here and I assign a macro to that, filter for Triumph, assign a macro to this, filter for Kawasaki, assign a macro to this, filter for Honda, and then I could have one that is basically just a clear. So I can have a button here that says clear. But if I'm not sure what the best way is to indicate that it's clear, I can just record another macro. So let's say clear filter. And then I'm just going to turn this filter in column T. I'll clear that filter. Say, and now I'll go over here. So it just said auto filter field equals 2. So then I can just take this, make it a little bit smaller, and then I'm going to right click, assign macro, clear filter, say OK. So now I can filter for Honda, I can filter for Kawasaki, filter for Triumph, I can clear my filter. And if I build these kinds of buttons for all the things that I want to do, I can have an easy way to just drill in. Let's try some of this. I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger here. I'm going to give myself a few more rows. I'm going to unhide these. I'm going to use my object selector, select these guys, move them over here. I'm going to put this one up here, put this one here, and to select it, I'm holding Control. And then I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to go get a few of these, just of the more popular ones. And there we go. So that's record macros. Next, we're going to look at sheet portability and names. See you then.